So over here you can see that I have this design right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and print it out. In that case, you can go around onto File and then go to Print right here. So once you go around onto Print, you get the printer settings. So you can go ahead and choose a physical printer that may be attached onto your computer. But in my sake, I'm just going to go ahead and choose Microsoft Print to PDF, which is a virtual printer that actually goes ahead and saves the printing file as a PDF format. So now over here in print style, you can go ahead and choose Corel Draw defaults, or you can also go ahead and browse any other formats that you may have as well. But let me just go ahead and select Corel Draw defaults itself. If I were to go to print preview, then you actually get onto a new page right here where you actually go ahead and see the printing preview right here, just like this. So you can see the overall page right here, and you actually see how it will actually be printed. Let me just go ahead and close the print preview right here, just like this. And once you do that, you're back onto the print area. So you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, open this up on the side as well, so that you can see a small print right here. So apart from that, you can also go around onto color, and then you can see that the color are here. So you can go ahead and choose separation or choose composite right here, just like this, as you can see. You can also go ahead and, let's say, for example, convert spots to CMYK and so forth, and choose a specific color profile as you want as well. You also have different options for rendering intent, as you can see, that you can go ahead and choose. Apart from that, you also have different things like, let's say, for example, a screen frequency and so forth, like LPIs and so forth. So you can go ahead and choose different settings as you like. So over here, you can see that I'm including sign and everything right here. So let's just go around onto color and go for a composite right here, just like this. And then you can see that all of the colors are included right here. But if you're using separation, then what happens is that you can choose which colors to keep and which not to keep out right here, just like this as well. So let me just go around over here. And apart from that, you can also work around with the layout. So it's as in the document, or you can fit to page so that it's full screen print, as you can see right here, just like this as well. Let me just keep it as that. And then you can see that you can go ahead and invert it out. You can mirror it out and change around different sections as you like. There's the color calibration bar as well. There's like scales that you can add in right here, and all of them will be added in onto the print. So that is what you have. You can also go ahead, print out the page numbers and so forth according to how you want. So you can go ahead and utilize print registration marks as well, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So after you go ahead and then utilize all of the settings and change around the settings as you like right here, you can also go around over here and choose the portrait or landscape mode right here, just like this, and then go ahead and change around the paper size according to the printer as well. So let's just go ahead, choose A4, press OK, and that is what it actually utilizes. So let's just go ahead and apply and then click on print. And since I'm using a virtual printer, it actually prompts me to save a file. So let me just go ahead and say sample print right here, just like this. And once you do that over here on my desktop, I got a print right here, just like this, as you can see. And then now I can simply go ahead and open it up. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Let's say, for example, by utilizing Adobe Acrobat right here. And then if I were to go ahead and do that, you can see that it opens it out like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. And if you were to actually print out the file, it would be printed like this. And that is how you can actually go ahead and then use the printer settings and then print designs as you like inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.